back to DIY Willy. Today, it's a good day. We have, excuse the noise of the traffic, but we have delivery from the famous Gopowersports. A few weeks back, I cleaned up and got running those two 80cc Monster Moto Mini bikes. Ever since, I've wanted one for my own. And today is that day. The boxes have arrived and I just want to open them. I've never done an open the box or reveal type video. This is really the first time I have all new parts. So yeah, let's open those boxes up and see what we got. I know this is an unboxing video. As you can see, the box is open. This is take two. I forgot to turn the camera on. So anyway, here we go again. So just imagine me cutting this with a razor blade. Actually, look, I did cut my finger. Imagine me cutting with a razor blade. Opening it up. What do we have? We have toys for Groot. We have the seat. We have the front forks. Now I'm not going to stay with those forks, but they're right now sold out of the other kit for the suspension. So we have the handlebars, Groot. There's the handlebar risers. Get that down there, Groot. Get out of the way. We have the frame. They call it the Mega Moto, but I believe it's still just the Monster Moto, just not assembled as the kit should be. This is the hardware for the neck here. Lots of nice Gopowersports stickers. Really appreciate that, guys. I will pass them all over. I will place them on the bike. Some more Gopowersports stickers. Nice ones. The other boxes. The other boxes we have axles, one 10-inch, one 11-inch. More Gopowersports stickers and hardware. And they loaded me up on stickers this time. Alright guys, thank you. And in between Groot slobber, we have the rear drums, the brake drums, also hub adapters. These will mount to the wheels when we get to them. There's also, got a little bit of wind. The nice machined aluminum adapters for the hubs and for the split sprockets and for the disc rotor. Pack and ship has a note. I thank you for your business. Take some stickers. John. That's a lot of stickers. Wow. So this box, unfortunately, is not from Gopowersports. This box came from OB Warehouse. Gopowersports was sold out of these rims or these wheels that I wanted, and I found them from OB Warehouse. Let's see a video. These are the black 10-inch wheels that will go on this bike. This is the install kit. Got two of them, nice. They don't matter front or back, it just matters how we put the sprockets on. So here's all the parts we got from Gopowersports and OMB Warehouse. We've got the handlebars and the fork. We've got Groot. Hi Groot. We've got the frame and the seat. The wheels, those are the parts we got from OMB Warehouse. Gopowersports unfortunately was sold out of them at the time. The axles, some of the hub and hub adapters for the sprockets and brake rotor. Hardware to mount the front forks, or front risers. These are the risers. some stickers. Thank you, Gopowersports. Thanks guys for hooking it up. And yeah, unfortunately, with this pandemic that's going around, I guess people are buying a lot of mini bike parts, and they are sold out of a lot of things. And the two other things that I need, the sprocket and I believe the brake rotor, they're sold out of. So I wanted a 60 tooth. They actually show this build is based off of a build they have on their front page. If you scroll down to the bottom, it's silver and blue. It's a bike there with a Tilson 212, I believe. Anyway, this build is going to be based off that bike, and they have a 54 tooth sprocket on it, and I guess they're sold out of them. I think the only one they have left is a 42. So I'm going to be looking around to find a 60 tooth or a 54 tooth sprocket, much similar to what they have. I do have the centrifugal clutch system that's going to go on the engine. I'm using that in my golf cart. I have a Juggernaut that I bought back when they first came out. That's still in a box somewhere, and in a minute we'll get in there and we'll take a look and see the engine I'm going to use. I'm going to take the engine from my golf cart, and we'll talk about that in a minute. All right. So stuffed away in the corner of my garage is my golf cart. Right now it's being used for storage, but it has been fun in the past, and I will get back to work on it. I got to do some suspension work, some work on the spindles, and I want to build a roll cage for it, and then I'll probably sell it. I'm kind of over it now, and I mean, there's not really places I can ride it here. So here, let's get a look of the engine that I'm going to take out to use in the new little motorcycle that I got to come up with a name for. We'll call it something. I don't know yet, but I'll come up with a name for the build. All right, let's take a look at that engine. This is a Predator 212 that's been slightly built for the golf cart. It has worked great. Right now it's got a reverse drive on it from Gopowersports. It's got the electric start conversion. There's the starter key, the starter on it. The starter worked great. Just needs some carburetor work, and we'll get it out and use it in the mini bike, clean it up. It's been sitting here for a while. Could also I'll have to build a new exhaust pipe for it, because that exhaust that's on it will not fit the motorcycle. The golf cart has 4-link suspension, as you can see. It's got a homemade axle in the back. That's a 62 sprocket, I believe, on the back of it. It's got hydraulic rear brakes, and it's got MP coil pack shock absorbers on the back, and they work perfect for here. I don't know why people don't use them more often for other projects. But that is my custom axle that I used on the back with disc brakes there. So we'll get this engine out and we'll get it cleaned up and get it ready to go on the Mega Moto motorcycle. All right. Hey, thanks for joining me in that unboxing video. I really enjoyed that. It's the first time I've ever done anything like that before. I don't get a lot of new parts often enough, you know, especially for a project of that size. So I'm really looking forward to building it. Excited about doing it. I don't show my emotions that much, but I'm trying. Thanks for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you haven't done already. Subscribe, and come back to DIY Willy. Bye. Thank you.